I am Ashwini Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. In this session, we are going to continue the number system. In the previous lecture, in number system, we have covered the conversion from any base to decimal and then decimal to binary. And in today's session, we are going to discuss the conversion of decimal to binary again, but with different approach. And this method will be called as sum of weight method. Sum of weight method. We know that any number, here we have taken a decimal number 34,876. So what is the weight of 6? Here we know that the 6th digit is called as unit digit, and after this 7 is called as tens digit, and 8 is called as hundredths digit, and 4 is thousand digit, and so on. So the digit which is in place of 6 is given weight of 1. It means it has given the weight of 10 to the power 0, because in decimal system base is 10. So first digit, that is 6, is given the weight of 10 to the power 0, that is it is given the weight of 1. And the second digit 7, it is given the weight of 10 to the power 1, that is weight 10. And the 8th digit, which is the third digit from the left, it is given the weight 10 to the power 2, that is 100. And likewise 4 is given as 1000, 10,000, and so on. In this manner we can also consider the binary number. This number is given as binary number. This is the binary number 11001. So here we notice that this 1 would be given the weight as 2 to the power 0, and this 0 will be given as 2 to the power 1. Likewise the third digit will be given as 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 0 means the leftmost digit is given as weight 1. In the same way, we see that in binary number, this digit 1 is given the weight of 2 to the power 0, that is weight of this digit will be 1. Likewise 0 is given the weight of 2 to the power 1, that is this 0 is given weight of 2. And the third digit is given the weight of 2 to the power 2, that is its weight is given as 4. And the fourth digit is given the weight as 2 to the power 3, that is its weight is given as 8. And likewise next digit is given the power as 2 to the power 4, that is its weight is given as 16. Likewise we can proceed. Now come to the method to convert decimal number to binary number. Here the weight of the binary digits already. So here we start with the 2-digit number. Suppose we have given the binary number of 2 digits. So here we have taken 2 digit weight, we have taken only 2, that is weight is written as 1 and 2. Now we will consider how many digits we can make with the help of 2 and 1. So here we see that decimal 0 will be given the will be written as 0 and 0, because neither we want 1, neither we want 2. So both the places we will put 0. Now come to the 1. Here we want to convert 1 in binary number. So in 1 and 2 we have required only 1. We do not require 2. So in place of 2 we put 0, and because we require 1, so in place of 1 it is 1. So binary equivalent of 1 will be equal to 0 and 1. Now let us take 2. We want to convert this 2 number. Here we see 2 is given in this place. So weight, because we require this number, so this position is given as 1, and 1 is become 0, because we do not require 1 in this case. What will happen for 3? 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So here we see that we require both the numbers. That is why to write 3 we have got both numbers. So we are taking account of 2 and 1 all together, and we will get number 3. Now come to the binary number of 3 digits. If we have to convert decimal number which require 3 digits, then we will write the weight like this: 1, 2 and 4, that is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2. That is, weight is written 1, 2 and 4. Now if we can sum of these numbers 1, 2, 4, we are getting 7. It means total 7 numbers can be converted. It means we can write 7 numbers using 3 digits. So if we want to convert decimal number into binary up to the 7 numbers, we can use 3 digits. I will write 0 number. For 0 we do not require 4, 2, 1, so we have put 0 in all position. For 1, because we need this one, so below the 1 we have written 1 and 4, 2 are 0. For 2 we require 2, so in place of 2 there is 1, but we do not require 1 and 4, so it is placed 0. For 3, 2 and will be considered. 2 plus 1 equals to 3, so 2 in position 2 and 1 position is given as 1. For 4 we require only the leftmost digit, that is why it has given 1 and rest are 0. For 5 we require 4 and 1, it means these 2 digits will be 1 and this will be 0. For 6 we can get 6 using 4 and 2, so 4 plus 2 will be 6, so 4 and 2. And for 7, 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 means all 3 digits will be required to write the binary equivalent of 7. So here 7 will be equal to 1, 1 and 1. Now come to the decimal number, which requires 4 numbers of digits. So here we have taken 1, 2, 4 and 8. That is, we are going to take 4 digits. If we sum up all these weights, we get 15. So if we are using 4 digits of binary number, so we can get total of 16 numbers. So up to 0 to 15 we can convert it into the binary number using 4 digits. So if we want to write 0, we do not require any number, so put 0. 1, for 1 we will put 1 in the position of 1. For 2, position of 2 is 1. For 3, 2 and 1, so 2 and 1 position is given as 1, because 2 plus 1 equal to 3. For 4, only the third position is given, the 1, rest will be 0. And for 5, 4 plus 1, that is 5. 4 and 1 is 5, so 4th position and 1 position is given as weight 1. And for 6, 4 plus 2, 6, so middle 2 digits are 1. For 7, 4, 2, 1, 4 plus 2 plus 1, it is 7, so these 3 digits will be 1. And for 8, only 1 digit, that is this position 8, this is 1, and likewise we can proceed further. 8 plus 1 equal to 9, so this will be 9. And for 10, 8 plus 2, this position is given for 8 and this is for 2. We require 8 and 2, and rest will be 0, so 8 plus 2. And likewise come to the 15 number. 15 number is given as 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. It means all 4 digits are required in order to make 15 numbers. So 1, 1, 1, 1 is the binary equivalent of the number 15. Here we've taken an example that if you want to convert 10 into binary number, so earlier we have covered this division method. So with the help of division we have found 1, 0, 1, 0. But if we use 1, 2, 4, 8 method or sum of weight methods, we can directly write the binary number 10, 1, 0, 1, 0 without using the division method. Here we have taken 5 digits. If we are going to take 5 digits, sum of these numbers equals to 31, means from 0 to 31 any number can be represented if we are going to use 5 digits. So here we have taken example of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So 0 will be written as, because we do not require any of digits, we do not require any of the weights, so 0, 0, 0, 0, put 0 in all position. For 1, only this position will be 1. For 24, how would we get 24? If you see the weights, 16 plus 8, this is going to 24, so only these 2 positions are 1, rest are 0. And for 17, 16 and 1, so this position and this position are 1, rest are 0. So 16 plus 1 is going to give the value of 17. Here we have taken 6 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and sum of all weights given is 63. It means with the help of 6 digits we can write decimal equivalent number from 0 to 63. So for 0, in all position 0 will be there. For 1, only the 1 is given here. And for 42, how would we get 42? We can look in the sum of weight written here. So 32 plus 8, it is going to give 40. So 32 position is given as is 1 and 8 is given 1 and rest are 0. It is 42. For 42 we require 32, 8, 40 and then 2. It will be 42. And for 56, 32 plus 16, it has become 48 and plus 8, 56. So it means all these 3 digits will be required and rest will be 0. So with the help of some of weighted methods, we can find the binary number of any decimal number directly from the weights instead of division method. Now we will convert numbers individually so that we can get the concept very clear. So decimal to binary number using sum of weights. Suppose we have to convert 3 decimal number 3 into the binary number. So here we start from, we will write 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and see how can we get the 3. Here we see that 2 plus 1 equal to 3. It means with 2 digits we can find the decimal value of 3. 2 plus 1, 3 means in these 2 position will be 1. So here binary equivalent of the decimal 3 is given as 1, 1. It is very important that we are not dividing it by 2 and writing the quotient and remainder. We can directly find the decimal number using this sum of weight method. Now come to the next digit. We are going to find we wish to find the binary equivalent of decimal 4. Again we will see here how will we get 4. That is very clear that for 4 we require 3 digits, 1, 2 and 4. So we have written 1, 2, 4 separately. How would we get 4? We are getting 4 like 1, 0, 0. Fourth position is given as 1, rest are 0. So binary equivalent of decimal 4 is given as 1, 0, 0. Now come to next question, that is 5. We require 5. Again we have written this number. Then think how would we get 5. Here we see that 4 plus 1 is going to 5, means again 3 digits will be required. So write this 1, 2, 4 separately and 4, 1 is going to give us 5. So this 4 and this 1. So 1, 0, 1 will be the answer. Now come to the next question. Here we have to convert decimal number 7 into the binary equivalent. So again write this sum of it and try to find 7. Here we see 4 plus 2 plus 1. This all 3 digits are going to give us 7. So we have written this separately, 4 to 1 and make all digits 1. So binary equivalent of 7 is given here. 1, 1, 1 and 2 is 2. Now come to the decimal number of 10. Writing this number, how we are going to get 10? We see from this 3 we are getting 7. So we have to increase one weight, 8, 4, 2, 1 and here we see 8 and 2. It means for 10 we need 4 digits. So write these things separately, 1, 2, 4, 8 and then 8 and 2 positions are required. So put 1 in place of 8 and 2 and rest will be replaced by 0. So with the help of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 sum of weight method, we can write directly the binary equivalent of 10 as 1, 0, 1, 0. Let us take some more examples. Here we want to convert 10 that we have already covered. For 10 we required 8, 4, 2, 1 means we require 4 digits. So we have written 1, 8, 4, 2, 1 separately and 8 and 2 are to be 1. So here we see 8 and 2 positions are 1 and rest are 0. So we have got the binary equivalent of 10 as 1, 0 and 1, 0. Now to get 11 number, how would we get? 8 plus 2 and plus 1. 8 plus 2 and plus 1. These 3 digits will be required. So 8 plus 2 and plus 1. It is going to give us 11 number. So the binary equivalent of 11 is 1, 0, 1, 1. Now come to the binary equivalent of 12. How would we get 12? You see 8 and 4 position. If we take these 2 position, we can get 12. So here we see 8 and 4. This is 12. So binary equivalent of 12 is 1, 1, 0, 0. Come to 13. For 13, 8 plus 4, 12 and then 1. So we get 8 plus 4 and then this 1. So 8 plus 4, 12 and this one as 13. Likewise come to 14. If you want to go for 14, 8 plus 4, 12 and plus 2, 14. This one is not required. So we have put 0. So we have got binary equivalent of 14 as 1, 1, 1 and 0. For 15, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 and plus 1, 15. Means all 4 digits are utilized in case of 15. So 1, 1, 1, 1 is put in all position and sum of these weights are going to give us 15. So 1111 will be our required answer. That is the decimal equivalent of 15 is given as 111 and 1. Now we'll take some more example, some bigger examples. We want to convert 29. So let's start with 1, 2. We can find only up to 3 numbers, so we have to increase one weight, come to 1, 2, 4. But here we notice that we can find up to 7 number. So again increase more weight. Here we see we can find only 15 numbers. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 15. Up to 15 we can find. It means again we have to increase one weight. So we have up to 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Here we see that we can find number up to 31. And 29 comes in this range. It means we have to take 5 digits. So write weight separately in this way, and now try to find how would we get 29. It is very easy that we can find 29 as 16 plus 8, 24. Then this 4, 28, and this one 29. So here we see that 16 plus 8, 24 plus 4, 28, and then plus 1, 29. So here we got the binary equivalent of 29 as 11101. Now come to the 31. How would we find the weight of 31? 16 plus 8, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 2, 30 and 31. Which all 5 digits are required to get the number 31. So we have put 1 in all positions of the weights. So binary equivalent of 31 will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Binary equivalent of 31. Let us explore some more example. Here we have to find number of 33. So here we notice that 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 16 going to give up to 31 numbers. It means to get more than 31 number we have to add one more weight. So we have added one more weight as 32. Now we can find, if we add, we can get 63 numbers. Means up to 63. Now with the help of 5 digits we can get the binary equivalent of numbers, decimal number up to 63. So 33, how will we find 33? 32 and this one. So we have got 32 and 1, we have got 33 numbers. Now come to 37. For 37 we require 32 plus 5. So 32, then 4 and 1. These 3 digits will be required. So here we see 32 plus 4, 36 and plus 1, 37. So binary equivalent of 37 is given as 100101. That is 100101. Now come to 40. How would we get 40? We see here 32 and 8. This is going to give us 40. So here we see 32 and 8 positions are given as 1, 32 and 1, and rest will be put 0. So 40 is given as 101000. It's written here. Likewise we can find the binary equivalent of decimal 47. 47 will be given as 32 plus 8, 40 plus 7, 47. It means 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So in this way we have found the decimal numbers binary equivalent using the sum of weight methods. Here we do not require any kind of a division. With the help of sum of weighted method we can write binary equivalent of any decimal number directly. So this is very useful method to convert any decimal number into binary number. Now we have got enough experience. Now we can convert any decimal number into binary number. So we can proceed for further conversion. So let us start the conversion of binary to octal. Here we see we have already covered that octal means base is 8. So digits are required 0 to 7. Here we have made a table of, so 0 will be written as, up to 7 we require only 4 weights, 3 weights, 1, 2 and 4, because sum of all these digits are 7. So for 7 we required only 3 digits. So 0 will be written as 000, 1 is written as 001, there is 1. So 2 will be written as, we require 2 only, 010. For 3 these 2 digits are required. So 011 is 3. For 4 100, for 5 101, and for 6 4 plus 2 6 110 and 7 111. So these are the binary equivalent of the octal number 7 to 0. Here we notice that we need grouping of 3 digits to represent octal numbers into binary. So we are going to convert binary to, the first step will be the given in given binary numbers we have to make group of 3 digits that we have already covered, and then grouping should be started from decimal point. This is the number, required number, binary number, which has to be converted into the, so we have written this number again with proper spacing. Again, now grouping of 3, because earlier we have seen that only 3 digits are required to convert any binary number to octal system, or to represent any number in octal system we require only 3 digits. So from decimal points, we have already discussed that we have to start from the decimal point, and for integral part we have to move towards left, and for fractional part we have to move towards right. So grouping should be started from the decimal point. For integral part we have taken groups of these 3 digits, and then these 3 digits will be grouped, and then 1, because 1 is a single digit, so we will add 2 0. We will append this one as 1 0 0. Now come to the fractional part. We start from the decimal point, make group of 3 digits. So 3 digits and 3 digits. It means we have got the digits as 001, 011, 011, 0.011 and 011. Now we have to write the octal equivalent of this binary number, and we have seen that we do not have to draw this table when we are going to convert the binary number into octal. We can remember this, but if we have forgotten, we can use this method, 1 2 4 method that I have already told you that. So 001, what will be the octal equivalent of 001? You put 0 0 and 1. We see 1 is in position of only 1, so this 1, it means 001 will be given as 1. For 011, these 2 digits will be utilized, so 2 plus 1 equals to 3. For 011 it is 3, 011 it is 3, 011 it is 3, and for 011 it is 3. So it doesn't mean that we have to draw this table all the time. Just write 1 2 4 and find the octal equivalent very easily. So now we have converted this binary number into the octal number, which will be 133.33 and basis 8. One more question. Here this binary number is to be converted into octal system. Again we have to start grouping from the decimal point. So start for decimal point and move in this direction for the integral part, and in this direction for the fractional part. So grouping has been started from this position, 101 and this and 11, and from here 101 and 01. Here we see that this one is deficient of 1 bit, so we have placed 0 in the third digit. Here we have placed 0, so we have got 011, and because grouping has to be started from left to right for the fractional part, so we'll put 0 in the last position, so 010. Now we know that using 1 2 4 weight method we can find 011. 011 last 2 digits are required, it means it will be 3. For 101 only 1 and 1, 4 plus 1 are required, this is 0, so this is 5, 5, 5, and for 010 position 1 is coming only this in position, second position, so binary, so octal equivalent of 010 will be equal to 2. So this is 3, this is 5, this is again 5, this is again 5. So we have converted this binary equivalent into the octal number as 355.52. Here it should be 5, it is wrongly written as 3, it should be 5 here. Now come to the next question. Here the question is given here. Now we have to again make group of 3 digits. Sometime what is happen, if you start grouping from this position 101 and then 011 and like this, the question will become wrong. So always start grouping from the decimal point, and for integral part you should move towards left, and for fractional part we should move towards right. So again start from this point, making group of 3 digits, 3 digits and 3 digits, because here one digit is lacking, so we have added 0 here, and for here 101, here 1 digit is also missing, so put 0. Now convert 010, write 1 2 4, and 1 is in position of 2, so it will become 2. 101 means 1 is in 4 position, and in 1 position, to 4 plus 1 5, we can directly write 5 here. Likewise this will be 5, this will be 5, this will be 5, and 011 last 2 digits are required, so 2 plus 1 3, so this will be 3. 010 only second bit is required, so is 010, that is 2. So now we have converted this binary number into the octal number, that is 2555.532. So this way we can convert any binary number into octal. Thus we have to make group of 3 digits, and then we know how to convert these 3 digits into the octal number system. Now we will convert binary to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number required 4 digits, 1248. So we have taken weight as 1248. We know that any number can be represented 1248. Up to 15 numbers we can calculate. So 0 to 9, no problem. 0, all positions are 0. For 5, 4 and 1 position should be 1. So 4 and 1 are 1. So 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. Likewise 8, this position should be 1. Rest are 0. 9, 1, 0, 9. For 9, 8 and 1 are required. So 8 and 1 are required. In 9, 8 and 1 are required. And for 10, 8 and 2 are required. So 1, 0 and 1, 0. But for 11, 12 and 13, for suppose we want to write 12, because we know weight A is as 10, this is 11, C is 12, B is 13, 14 and 15. So if you want to convert A is 10, so we'll be getting 1, 0, 1, 0. And likewise for F is 15, so 15, 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, all 4 digits will be required to convert F into the binary number. So now we know that how to convert 4 digit binary numbers into the hexadecimal. Suppose 1010 is given, it is 10, a 10 is written as A. Likewise we can convert any binary number into the hexadecimal number. Now let us solve some questions. Here we want to convert this binary number into hexadecimal, and we have seen that for hexadecimals 4 digits are required. It means in this case we have to make group of 4 digits, and grouping should be started from decimal points, and now then these 4 digits is converted into hexadecimal, that we have already understood. So write this number with proper spacing. We have written this number. Think about this decimal point and start grouping. For integral part in this direction, for fractional part in this direction. So these 4 groups, and here 3. So 1 0 will be added here. It is added here, and we have got this digit. And now from decimal point move up to the right position, right direction. For the fractional part, these 4 digits again 1 1. So we have to put 2 0 here. We have got, so now we have got groups of 4 digits. Now we know that how to convert these number into hexadecimal. If you have forgotten, come to the 1248 position, take weight and adds weights where the 1 position is present. So 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 means 4 and 1 are present. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. So hexadecimal equivalent of this number will be equal to 5. 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 8 plus 2 plus 1, it will be 11. So this will be given as 11. 0 1 1 0 means only these 2 digits are required. 4 plus 2, that is 6. For 1 1 8 and 4, that is 12. Now we know that 5 will written as 5, but 11 equivalent, 11 is given number B, and 6 will C, and 12 is given as C in hexadecimal system. So now we have converted this number into hexadecimal as 5B.6C. 5B.6C. Take one more question. Here we have taken this number, we have to convert into 16. Again we have to make group of 4 digits. Start from the decimal point, move in this direction for integral part, in this direction for fractional part. So 1011, 1011. This digit is not taken here. 1101 and 1010. This digit is discarded because this digit is discarded in this question, so disregard this digit. So here we have made group of 4 digits, and in this case also we'll move 4 position, and here 110 is given, so 1 digit is placed. So we have got grouping like this. So we have got grouping as 1011, 0101, which is the grouping of this. This is discarded. In this question it is not considered, it is misprinted here, and this is written as this. Now we know how to convert these 4 groups of binary numbers into equivalent hexadecimal. 0101, 0101, these 4 1 required, so we get 5. For 1011, 821 is required. 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. For 11, 4 2, 6, 11 and 12. We know that 11 is represented as B, 12 is represented as C, so we have got the binary equivalent of this number as 5B.6C. 5B.6C, that is the hexadecimal equivalent of the binary number. Now come to the conversion of octal to binary. Here we have converted binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. Now we will convert binary, octal to binary and hexadecimal to binary. Here we have given the question 734, which is given in which is given in octal to binary. Here we have to convert 734, which is given in octal system, into the binary system. To write 734 with proper spacing, how would we convert the octal equivalent of 7? We know that for 7 we require 3 digits. Weight is written here 1, 2, 4. How would we get 7? 4 plus 2 plus 1 means all 3 digits are required in order to write 7 into the binary equivalent number. So 7 is given as 111, 1, 1 and 1. Now focus on 3. How would we get 3? For 3 we require these two digits. So in place of 4, a 0 will be put. So 0, 1, 1. So this will be the binary equivalent of 3 as 0, 1, 1. And for 4, we required only one digit, 1, and rest will be 0. So it is 1, 0, 0. Now we have got the required answer immediately. So 734 is given as 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Here the answer is written. Take the next question. 46.732. Again write these numbers separately, and the binary equivalent of this 4 will be, using this sum of weights we can write 1, 0, 0. For 6 we required 4 plus 2. So these two are 1 and one position is 0. 1, 1, 0. For 7 all 3 digits are required. We have got 1, 1, 1. For 3 these 2 digits are required. This is not required, so put 0. So 0, 1, 1. And for 2 we have got 0, 1 and 0. So we have got the answer 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0.11, 0.111, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 0. The conversion of hexadecimal to binary. Here we have to convert the hexadecimal number ABC.67B4 base 16 into the binary system. We know that for hexadecimal we require 4 digits, so weight is written as 1, 2, 4 and 8. The first step, write the number separately. Now we have to convert. Now we have to write binary equivalent of this A, B, C, 6, 7, B and 4. And we know that A is written as 10, B is written as 11, C is written as 12, B is 11, A is 10, 6, 7, B is 11. So for A we have to think about 10. So here how would we get 10? For 10, 8 and 2 are given. So here we can write 10 is written as 1010, here 1010. So 1010 will go to 8 plus 2, 10. For 11, 8 plus 2 plus 1. So 8 plus 2 plus 1. For 12, these 2 digits are required, 1100. For 6, these 2 digits are required, so 0110. For 7, these 3 digits are required, so last 3 digits are required, place 1 and this is 0. And for B is nothing but 11, and 11, 8 plus 2 plus 1, 8 plus 2 plus 1. So for 11 we have got 81011, and for 4 only this digit is required, so 0100. So it is very easy. Once you have placed, we have got this number 10, 11, 12. Write this weight system and find the binary equivalent directly from this weighted sum. So we have got the answer as 100 and then 1011, 110, then put point here, and 0110, 0110, 1011 and 010 is the required answer. Take one more question in hexadecimal system. Here we have taken 2DC.6FB4 base 16 converted into the binary system. So here we have written this number separately, 2DC minus 6FB4. We know that D will be written as 13. Here D will be written as 13, this will be 12, F will be 15 and B is 11. Now 2 will be written as binary system 8421. Only one digit is required. So here we see we have written number as 0010, that is 0010. 2. For D it is 13. How will we get 13? 8 plus 4, 12, and then this 1. So 1101. So it is written as 1101. C is 12, 8 and 4. So these 2 digits are required, 8 and 4. So 1100 is the equivalent of C, that is 12. 6 will be given for 4 and 2. So 0110. 15 we required all 4 digits. All 4 digits are written here. B 11. 8 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1. B is written as like this, and 4 only one digit, this digit is required, so we have got this number. So we have got that the answer 0110 here, 1101, 1101, and decimal point here 0110, 11, 1011, 010. Means when one or two step we can write the binary equivalent of any hexadecimal number using this sum of weight method. Now come to the octal to hexadecimal. How would we convert octal number into the hexadecimal system? Let us explore this method. First we have to convert given octal number into binary number, and then we know we have covered that how to convert binary number into hexadecimal. We have just covered. In this case we have to make group of 4 digits and then convert these 4 digits into equivalent hexadecimal number. So let us start the question. Here we have to convert 734, which is given in octal system, and it has to be converted into the hexadecimal system. So as I have told you that first we have to convert this octal number into binary. So write this octal number, and we have found the binary equivalent of this 7, then this 3 and this 4. We know how to get this number, binary equivalent of 734. We have so many times we have discussed. So 111, 3 will be 011, these 3 digits, 4 only this digit is required, so 10. Now we have written the binary equivalent of the octal number. Now we have to convert this binary number into hexadecimal, and we know how to convert a binary number into that hexadecimal system. We have to make grouping of 4 digits. So here we have written the number as 111, 111, 011, 011, and 100. Write this number and now start grouping of 4 digits. And we have told you that we have to start from the decimal point. Here no decimal point is given. It means decimal would be here. Means we have to start from the rightmost position, and grouping should be done in this direction. So the first group is made as 110, that is 110, and after that 1101, 1101, and 1 is left, so 1 is written here, and because it has only got 1 digit, so we have put 3 digits to make it a group of 4. Now we have got number in the 4 digits as 0001, 1101, and 110. Now we know that how to convert this binary number into the hexadecimal. For that we have to use 18421, 1248 weighted 1. 0001, we require only this one. We are getting only 1. So equivalent of this 001 will be given as 1, 1101, 8 plus 4 and 1. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So we have got 13, and 110 we required only 2 digits, 8 plus 4, 12. And now we know that 13 is written as D and 12 is written as C. So now we have got the final answer as 1DC. It means 734 number which was in octal system is now converted into the hexadecimal system. The method is very easy. First convert the octal system into the binary number and then make group of 4, and we know how to convert this binary number into the hexadecimal system. So here we have got the answer. Now come to the conversion of hexadecimal to octal. As we did in octal system, octal to hexadecimal system, here we have to convert hexadecimal to octal system. Here again we have to do the same thing. We have to convert hexadecimal number into binary number, and then that binary number is converted into the octal system. So let us understand this. Here the question is 2DC.6FB4 in hexadecimal has to be converted into octal system. So first we have to write number with proper spacing. It is written here. Now we know that D is written as 13, D is 13, C is 12, F is 15, and B is 11. We already know that. Now we have to convert this 2, 13, 12, 6, 15, 11 and 4 into the equivalent binary number, because number is given in 16. So we have to convert these numbers into the equivalent binary numbers. Means 2, 13, 12, 6, 15, 11, 4 has to be converted into the equivalent binary number, because these are the number in hexadecimal system. So we required 4 digits, that is 1248. So now to convert this 2 into the binary equivalent, we know that we have to use 1248. So 2 is written as 8421. Using 8421 method, 2 is written as only this is required. So rest are 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. D is 13, 8 plus 4, 12, and this one. So 8 plus 4 and this one. Likewise C is 12, so 8 plus 4, these 2 digits are 1. And for 6, 4, 2, and for F all 15. F is 15, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2 plus 1, 15. B is 11, so 8 plus 2 plus 1, 1011, and for 4 only 1 digit is required, 0110. Now we have converted the hexadecimal number into the binary number, and now this binary number has to be converted into the octal number system. And we know that binary number can be converted into octal by using grouping of 3 digits. We start from the decimal point. So from the decimal point we have started grouping of 3 digits. So here we have taking first group will be 100. It is 100. Then it will be 101. It will be 101. It is written as, it will be 011 rather. It will be 011. So it is 011. And after that again 011, again 011, and then 001 is left. So we have got grouping 3 digits as 001, 011, 011, 100. Here we will start from grouping 011, 011, again 011, 011. Then these 3 digits will be combined 111, and then 011. This will be 011, and after that 010, and this 0 is left. So again 3 0, it is converted into 3 groups, and we have to add 2 more zeros. So ultimately we have got grouping of 3 digits, that is 001, 011, 011, 100, 011, 011, 111, 011, 010, and 000. Now how to convert grouping of these 3 digits into the octal? We know that for octal we required only 3 digits, so 1 to 4 are required. So 001, it means this is only 1, so we have got octal equivalent of 001 as 1. For 11, these 2 digits are 2 plus 1, so for 011 we have got 3, so this will also 3. 100, we got 4. 011, again 3, this will be 3. For 111, all 3 digits are utilized, means it is 7, so 011 it is 3. 010, only 2 is utilized, so it is 2, and for 000 it is 0. So now it is, we have got the final answer as 1334.337320. So it is very easy to convert hexadecimal to octal. Here we have just first converted this hexadecimal digit into the binary number, then grouping of 3 and directly into the octal number.